It's meal prep time again. Today I'm gonna prep healthy and high protein breakfast, lunch, snack, and dinner that will get you 100 grams of protein per day. Let's start with the breakfast. For breakfast, I'm making high protein gingerbread sheet pan pancakes. These pancakes contain over 30 grams of protein per serving and no protein powder. I'm making the batter in the blender. First I add eggs and maple syrup and vanilla extract for some sweetness. Then I add cottage cheese, which is a great source of protein, but don't worry, you can't taste it in the ready pancakes. But it can also be replaced with Greek yogurt if you don't like it at all. Then I add oat flour, baking powder, and lastly gingerbread spice. Then I just blend until smooth. I pour the batter into a baking pan lined with parchment paper and spread it evenly. I bake it at 180 Celsius degrees, 350 in Fahrenheit for about 30 minutes. I let it cool down for about 15 minutes and then I cut it into pieces. These pancakes are really soft and delicious. I like to serve them with fresh berries. For extra sweetness, you can add some maple syrup on top. A perfect breakfast idea for the holiday season. For lunch, I'm prepping instant spicy peanut noodles. First, I mix all the ingredients together for a homemade broth concentrate. Soy sauce, hot sauce, garlic-infused olive oil, unsweetened peanut butter, a little bit of honey, and lastly, chicken bouillon. I divide the mixture into 6 glass jars. I'm showing 4 jars here, but I prepped 2 more and filmed that for a short form video. Next, I add shredded chicken for protein. If you are vegetarian, you could use tofu, for example. Then I add chopped green onions, and bell peppers, and gluten-free udon style noodles, and lastly some sugar snap peas. I store these in the fridge. I take a jar to room temperature 10 minutes before adding hot water so that the glass won't break. Then I add the hot water, stir well, and let it sit for about 3 minutes. These noodles are full of flavor and they are such a cozy meal. Perfect for cold winter days. For snack, I'm prepping gingerbread chia pudding parfaits. First, I make the chia pudding. I mix together chia seeds, milk, maple syrup, vanilla extract, and gingerbread spice. Then I let it sit for about 5 minutes, and then I stir again to get rid of any lumps. I let it set in the fridge for about 2 hours. When the chia pudding is set, I build the parfaits. I add sliced mandarins to the bottom, but you could use any fruit or berries you like. Then I add high protein Greek yogurt. The yogurt I use contains 13 grams of protein per 100 grams. Next, I add the chia pudding on top. These turned out so pretty and yummy. Such a fun snack idea for the holiday season. Lastly, I'm prepping a super easy sheet pan dinner. I divide the ingredients on 2 baking pans lined with parchment paper. Chickpeas, sweet potatoes, mushrooms, Brussels sprouts, garlic-infused olive oil, soy sauce, rosemary, paprika spice, salt, pepper, and chili flakes. And then I toss to combine. I roast them at 200 Celsius degrees, 390 in Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, I add crumbled feta and crushed walnuts on top. Then I roast for 10 minutes more, just until the feta has gotten some color and all the veggies are cooked. I serve it with a homemade yogurt dressing. I add the recipe to the description box, but you can use any dressing you like. This is such an easy and delicious dinner. And here are all the ready meals. Those were all the meals I meal prepped this week. Let me know in the comments what kind of recipes you would want to see next. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up because it really supports my channel. I hope you tried the recipes. Enjoy!